Hi guys, welcome to my channel Technology in the Future. Today we are introduce BlackBerry Passport to 5G 2021. BlackBerry Passport to 5G 2021 release date. Price. Full specifications. Feature. Review. The BlackBerry company declares to bring a new smartphone on the world mobile market as soon as possible, whose name is BlackBerry Passport to 5G 2021. The smartphone comes in four new colors, whose name is Mocha Brown, Black Champagne, Gold and Pink Gold. If you want to buy a high-performance BlackBerry smartphone from the local mobile market, first check the Passport to 5G 2021 release date, price, features, and specs. The BlackBerry Passport is a well-known telephone from BlackBerry. It by no means both in staggering numbers, but in surely well-known within the business, and fairly standard in some circles. Its successor by no means launched, however, an idea designer in partnership with Let's Go Digital, determined to inspect it. The BlackBerry Passport 2. There are two cameras included on the again, each of that are part of the identical Digicam Iceland. They are centered and virtually allied together with an LED flash that sits beneath them. BlackBerry brand is included each on the back and front aspect of the machine. The designer this telephone to have wide angle and ultra wide angle cameras on the again. The highest bezel is thinner than it was on the Unique, by the way in which you will additionally discover a short C USB port on the backside. He slowly modernized the machine in our approach. It nonetheless seems just like the BlackBerry Passport, very a lot so. The BlackBerry Passport to 5G 2021 flagship comes with a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, 16mm color display, and protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7. It has a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G processor with 10, 8, 12GB of RAM and 128, 256, 512 GB of ROM, which enough to run Android V11 version like as the Nokia Mage Pro Lite 2021. The BlackBerry upcoming flagship Passport to 5G 2021 is powered by Li Polymer 6900 mAh non-removable battery. The original Passport had a single front and the rear. With the front camera you could only take 2 megapixel photos. The rear camera was equipped with a 13 megapixel image sensor. Earlier this year, On1 Mobility announced in an exclusive interview with Nikkei Asia that it would integrate a top-of-the-line camera into the new BlackBerry 5G 2021. A striking statement, given that the camera has never been a spearhead of the corporate BlackBerry smartphone. With its BlackBerry Passport 2 concept, PS designer has chosen to provide the rear with a dual camera with a wide angle and a ultra wide angle lens. The flash is placed below the camera system rather than above it, the original, as was the case with the original. It has dual SIM and both SIM are supporting GSM 3G HSPA Plus LTE 5G technology. The BlackBerry Passport to 5G 2021 smartphone will expected release date on December 2021 and expected price $999. So this is information about the BlackBerry Passport to 5G 2021. Connected for more updates and please subscribe to our channel and also click the bell icon button. You will take care of yourself. Bye bye.